is your girl Avneet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I am here with a huge haul and some surprise gifts for my family and my first ever giveaway for you guys. I wanted to make it special, so there won't be one or two or three, but 13 winners. Woohoo! So, मैं काफ़ी टाइम से अपना wardrobe upgrade करना चाहती थी and I thought why not shop online? Plus, there's an app I've been using कुछ time से to buy stuff online through which I save extra while online shopping. वो भी discounts के अलावा. That's right, the app is called Letty Shops and ये एक cashback app है जिसको use करके you can shop on 3000 plus websites like Flipkart, Ajio, Myntra and many more and earn cashbacks on top of discounts. तो आपको अपने फ़ोन में बहुत सारी शॉपिंग एप्स रखने की कोई नीड ही नहीं है. प्लस Letty Shops is a free app to use forever. I'll tell you later how you can use it. But for now, let me come back to the shopping that I did. So मैंने काफ़ी सारी शॉपिंग करी है from Ajio, but मैंने ये directly नहीं की है. I did all this shopping using Letty Shops. So obviously I earned cashback as well. And I thought, why not do a haul video for you guys? And then another thought struck me, which is why not do a giveaway? मैं काफ़ी टाइम से आप सभी के लिए giveaway करना चाहती थी. And here I am. So I bought 13 things and I'm extremely happy with everything that I bought. Which is why I decided to give these 13 things as a giveaway. So make sure you watch the whole video to know about the giveaway rules. I will share all the details in the video, but let's jump into our haul now. So the first one is this really cool, loose-fitted, printed crop shirt. I really like this and I really like the prints on it. Alphabets इसमें बहुत cute लगता है and I think you can pair this like with a denim or maybe a skirt and sneakers. This would, you know, be pretty cool I think and I can just wear it when I'm hanging out with my friends. So the next one, मुझे ये चाहिए था काफ़ी टाइम से and बहुत ही cool basic t-shirts हैं. This one is a black one. It says be strong and the print on it is metallic which is reflective and it says be strong which is really beautiful. Everybody should be strong. तो इसको मैं shoots पे पहन सकती हूँ, घर पे पहन सकती हूँ, काफ़ी जगहों पे पहन सकती हूँ and बहुत ही cool है. इसमें और भी मैंने basic t-shirts खरीदी. I'll show you guys that. So there's another one which is a pink one. So the fabric is really cool, it's really soft and cotton है obviously. So this one says amor. Again I really like the print and घर पे पहन सकते हैं इसको, even outing के time पहन सकते हैं with denims or maybe denim shorts or something. Then there's another one that I bought. This one, I love yellow, I love the color yellow so much. और ये बहुत ही summery vibe है, so I really like it. It says road trip. So these are the three basic t-shirts that I got. So next up we have these really cool orange culottes and it's got these gold detailing and बहुत ही comfortable है. It's really comfy. You can wear it when you're traveling. The fabric is really good. You can style it with a spaghetti. I would like to style it with a spaghetti. And yeah, overall this is a very cool and at the same time very comfy. You can make this into a classy outfit as well अगर आपको कुछ ऊपर से change करना है. And yeah, I think that ये सबसे ज़्यादा मैं पहनूँगी. So yeah, I love pants, so I think you guys should really check this one out. So obviously this is a necessary because winters are here and I'm going to be traveling a lot and I think this is something that I wanted. This is like a knitted sweatshirt, so I can wear it on top of a thermal or something because I'll be traveling a lot, तो ठंडी होगी वहाँ जगह पे. So I think this will keep me warm and make me look stylish at the same time. So this is something that I got for that and it's really cool. I love the color so much. I love green and green का एक shade जो है ये बहुत ही pretty shade है. So this is the one that I got and winter wear में I got another one which is a hoodie, classic crop black hoodie I really love this, and I think it's very comfortable and it looks really sexy at the same time. You can wear it with denim or denim shorts or whatever. और अभी I'll be traveling, so I think ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगा. And इसको gold accessories के साथ you can pair. It looks really cool. And yeah, I love this one, classic black hoodie. So next up we have this one. It's a one shoulder black plain basic top, and the best part is basic कपड़ों को you can always pair, mix and match, and I think ये culottes के साथ बहुत ही cute लगेगा. And even if you want to go to a party or something, you can wear a really nice skirt with this, and it will look really good. So I think this is something that I can wear with almost anything, and yeah, this is a must-have, and I think it looks really good. Now I'll tell you in a while what I bought as surprise gifts for my family. But पहले मैं आपको उसके बारे में बताती हूँ जिसका आप वेट कर रहे हैं. That is the giveaway details, and also a little bit about Letty Shops. Like I told you, Letty Shops is a cashback app. नॉर्मली जब लोग शॉपिंग करते हैं तो वो डायरेक्टली उस वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं जहाँ से वो शॉपिंग करना चाहते हैं. बट कैशबैक अर्न करने के लिए आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं जाना है. You can go to Letty Shops app and avail amazing cashback offers. Using Letty Shops is pretty simple. आपको अपनी email ID से sign up करना है and then just click where you want to shop. And Letty Shops आपको उस वेबसाइट पे ले जाएगा. उसके बाद आपको नॉर्मली शॉप करना है एंड आपका कैशबैक आपके Letty Shops अकाउंट में आ जाएगा कुछ ही आवर्स में. Guys, this cashback is real cash. So once that gets confirmed, you can actually transfer it to your bank account. Isn't that amazing? So now coming back to the much awaited giveaway rules. To participate in the giveaway, you guys need to download the Letty Shops app with the first link given in the description box below and create an account with your email ID. If you guys already have an account, so you can skip this part and just sign in. Now all you need to do is buy anything from any of the websites available on Letty Shops like Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio, etc. Just one purchase. चाहे छोटा हो या बड़ा, it doesn't matter. And जहाँ से भी आप करना चाहते हो, but using Letty Shops. That's all. And then just fill the form below with your Letty Shops account ID to submit your entry. Form is the second link in the description box. ये giveaway आज से लेकर 7th Jan 2021 तक open है. So 7th Jan is the last day, guys. After that, I will be picking 13 random winners जिन्होंने सारे rules follow किए होंगे. And each winner will get one product from the haul. So make sure you don't cancel or return your order, or else you will not be eligible for the giveaway. मैं winners announce करूँगी 18 Jan 2021 इसी वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में, एंड वो विनर्स को बाद में कांटेक्ट किया जाएगा फॉर द प्राइज ऑन द Letty Shops रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी. मैं गिव अवे की सारी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन करूँगी, सो डोंट वरी गाइज, यू कैन रीड इट टू. That is all for the rules. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Hope you guys are too. So now let me show you guys what I bought for my family as well. These products will also be included in the giveaway. Let's go! So all these gifts I've intentionally bought for myself. One way or another I'm going to use this. For first, I have this really cute bag that I picked out for mom, but I'm going to steal it anyway from her. It's really nice. I love the color, I love the print, and yes, the next one is a very hot, sexy dress that I got for mom. It's a wraparound dress. I love the color. The shade is going to look so pretty on her. Yeah, I love the fabric as well. I think मैं उनको बोलूँगी ये वाला न्यू ईयर पे पहनने के लिए, because I think थोड़ा party outfit है. The next one is I've got this watch for my brother. It's a super drive watch, and it's really cool. And I think it's his choice, so he's going to like it. And the next one is, okay, I've got two things here. These are two t-shirts that I picked out for my dad. I think white mein he looks really handsome, so I've got this one. And there's another one which is a red shade, unka again favorite. So this is the one, and I think he's really gonna like these two. That's it. Good luck to you all for the giveaway. I'm super excited for it. Don't forget to download and shop using the Letty Shops app to participate. In case you face any issues, मैंने Letty Shops support team की contact details भी description box में mention कर दी हैं. So happy shopping and saving to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next on my YouTube video. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Happy holidays. Love you.